No, I don't get it. You get a camera, it's got a certain aspect ratio, and then as soon as you click record, it becomes smaller. So I just spent like 10 minutes trying to get my background to actually fit the full frame, and I grew my hair out for nothing. Okay, so I just need to do my makeup because I'm about to film a little review thing that I've been putting off for like a while. My wigs have been piling up, just screaming at me, please, please use me, review me. They're literally just sitting here, just like still in the bag. So I decided I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna film it right now. I'm gonna finally do it because I need to be live streaming Cyberpunk, and in order to do that I wanted to wear one of these wigs at least, like maybe not the green one because I need a green screen behind me while I'm playing. Otherwise I would just look like I don't have this part of my head. Because if you didn't know, green screens actually, like, it's this but green, and you like it edits it out and you just see your little body. Fun fact, if you didn't know already. I'm gonna link all of these products down below because, yeah, this isn't like a makeup tutorial per se. It's just a get ready with me, a very quick get ready with me while I get ready to film another video for you guys. So be sure to check that one out as well. If you see my skin, like, I have battled with acne like my whole life. And I got a really bad spell of it like last month, and now I'm on a new like dermatologist plan, so it's like a little bit better, but it's still a little bit there. That actually stopped me from taking loads of videos as well, which is sad because I don't think I should like limit myself just because of acne. Oh my gosh, this foundation is so light. Like, why do I have it so light? I'm seeing it in the monitor, it's like, it's a bit too light for me, but I guess like I think I bought it when I used to do a lot of bronzing, so it's sort of like you have a white base and then you add the colour. Should we do that? Otherwise my face is just too light, isn't it? So like this little guy. Let's see. Just a bit of that everywhere. Yeah, that adds a bit more like dimension back into my face. I'm looking up there because my viewfinder is there. Yes. Maybe like a bit more as well. Because I like the sort of like vampire look, but at the same time, like when I'm doing these review things or these like not very specific to makeup things, I kind of like having like a normal base so that people don't get distracted. Honestly, now I'm gonna just do like a little bit of eyebrows. How are you guys' holidays right now? Alright guys, I tried to paint my nails on like, these were black and they were chosen by my Instagram fam. I did a poll and they all chose black, and then, well, I think like 2 months passed and I still had them, like, because they're press-ons, like I make them myself, so every time they came off I would just like press them back on. I was like, okay, like they're still working, so I'm gonna reuse them. Do you see how like just filling it in really randomly, one eyebrow is way more pointed than the other? This is what I have to deal with every time I do my eyebrows. It's so annoying. Because I'm doing it like really quickly, so I'm not even noticing like how different it actually is. I'm just gonna soften up this side. I usually like to make them a little bit more sharp, but as I said before, like I want my face to be not too distracting. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I press on nails. I think I'm really bad at staying on topic. yeah, so I decided to like be even more silly and just paint on top of the black ones and try and tell like which one is fresh and which one is the one I painted on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's just one of those ones. Which one is it? Oh my god. It's this one. It's this one. Like look at behind, because I painted them behind as well because I'm a little bit like extra like that. But you can see like these little pieces that are just no, Jess. Like it just makes them look dirty. I just wait. I did them today, so wow. Okay. Guys, I can't believe I got convinced to buy Cyberpunk 2077. Like, the only reason I bought it is so that I can live stream it. Like, I love the concept of the game, like, beyond belief, but, like, I'm gonna live stream it. Like, that is the main purpose of this game. I'm really happy. I'm gonna have to wait like 10 hours for it to download. You know, it's like 59 gigabytes. Like, what the heck? What the frigaboos? Like, that's a lot. That's really a lot. Like, my computer, I don't know if this happens to you guys as well, but like after a while, your computer just ends up having just no space. Like, it's not that you're installing that many things, it just happens to stop having space, and you're like, what did I do? What have I done? Why do I have, how did I go from 1 terabyte to like 1 gigabyte? How? So I'm trying to resolve that issue right now because it's just, it's not doable. It's just not doable. I really need to concentrate on this part because yes. I'm just gonna smoke it out a little bit so it's a little bit simpler. I don't need to make anything too perfect. Oh, yeah. Not bad. Not that bad. If you guys want like a more glam tutorial, just go and check out my other soft glam peachy thing. Worst description ever. That one's like really intense. But I'll be doing more. I should be doing way more tutorials and stuff. It's just, I kind of get lost in all of my projects sometimes. I might just go in with this. Just darken up. Is it distracting if I look up there? It's already like a bit too much already. Just a tiny bit underneath. I keep being told to just like be myself on social media, but do you guys have any idea how hard it is to be yourself? Like, it's like so hard. Like, it's not that I'm never myself, it's just like when something is going out to like the whole world, it's like it's normal to filter yourself a little bit, you know? By the way, if you guys have any like really cool look in mind or whatever for me to recreate, I really love recreating looks, so definitely tell me and I will definitely do them. They're super cool. I did one of Got Mick. I don't know if that's how you say it. It was I butchered it, honestly. I feel like I did a terrible job. Like, if you want to go and see, I have a video of it on my YouTube channel, but it's not, like, I looked at it and I was like, damn. No. I hope the next one I do is actually a little bit more just good. Oh, I need to get new mascara. It's like so dry. I've had this for what, a year? Really dry. Is that a long time? I think that is actually a long time, but they don't usually dry up that much. Apart from the fact that I haven't been going out this much this year because like it's 2020. I don't think I need to say any more on that. So I haven't been wearing makeup as much. I think we're already at a good point. I think I'm just gonna put like a little bit of lippy, and lippy is such an English, like slangish word. Bit of lippy. Remember that. What was I saying? I always have this, like, even when I'm editing my videos, I notice that, like, there's times where I say something, I start a whole discussion, and I say something else, and then I go back to that other discussion, and it's like, wow, do I do that? Like, I didn't know I did that until I started editing my videos. It's really bizarre to watch it, like, I literally just stop halfway through my tracks and just completely go off track. And, like, what? Like, nobody's ever told me that I do that. Like, why has nobody called me out for doing that? It's just crazy. Like, I figured it out myself, editing myself. It's a bit embarrassing, like, showing you guys all of these, like, these bloopery sides of me. But at the same time, like, if you go and watch, like, I don't know, like, my old videos on Instagram or like my TikTok even now, like they're embarrassing. Like they are really embarrassing. Like me with just messy hair, just saying the dumbest stuff. Like, and then when I come on to do like a YouTube video, I'm like, oh, I have to be perfect. It's like just like decide yourself. Like, you know what I mean? It is so annoying when I can't find lip balm. Like, where are you, lip balm? Where are you? I was about to pick up the nail glue. I'm not going to put that on my lips. Okay. Guys, like, basically all of my Jeffree Star lipsticks, the velour liquid lipsticks have dried out because I've had them for, like, what, 3 years maybe? I don't know. And it's so depressing because they're not finished, and I didn't use all of them all that much. Like I did, like that's all I used, but you know, I had so many possibilities and they're like a little bit dried out, and it's like so depressing. There's probably a way to restore them. I'm gonna try that. I'm just gonna try and restore them. Okay, you know what? This look is basically finished. I think I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. I used this one. I always forget that it looks like dirt, so I used the other one. A bit warmer. I always think about like the colors in our skin, like how interesting that is. Like all of the colors that make up our skin, and plus we all have very different complexions as well. So it's just like infinite beauty. I don't know. It's like really interesting. Maybe also like I have really light skin, but like people who have a darker complexion, like sometimes you look at them and it's like their skin is so beautiful. It's like insane. Like sometimes it really just it is like mesmerizing. I don't know. Or like when I see sometimes there's these girls who have like really, really white porcelain skin, and it's like, whoa. Like, especially when they have like a round face. I don't know. It just looks like Snow White. I don't know. Like, it's really nice. Also, like those like viral videos or photos of people who have really, 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 really dark skin, and like with the caption saying like super beautiful, and I love that because we're like ending racism completely. I love that. Like when I see them, like they really are so beautiful. Like it's just insane. It doesn't look real. Like it's just and to try and understand what colors go into that to make it like work, like how I need to study that. Anyway, I'm gonna go and review my Wiggy Wiggies, and I'll see you there if you want to go and see it. It's just like, so yeah. Also, do you like my top? It's from, where is it from? Bershka. It's from Bershka. It's like a little tiny crop top, but it's super cute. Okay, so I'll see you there. Thank you for joining me in this little chat. If you liked this, tell me, because I don't know, these get readies with me are a little bit weird for me. I don't know how I feel about them. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe so that you can get more of this stuff. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you. Bye.